9:48 a.m. Good morning, 11/15/2019. Happy Friday. I felt like the activity in the puzzle room that I've shared the link to several times need to record it because sometimes these little, excuse my language, they get aggressive. I don't know if you can relate to this or not, but these people start getting aggressive. Like, I'm a little pile builder, okay? I'm a mound builder, right? So I'll come in here, and you can see them flying around. I'll start sorting the pieces into little piles. And my favorite thing, because I've got bad eyes for one thing, I don't want to sit and mess with these colors like a solid, there's so many desk pieces, and I'll just kind of screw them around like this until one will, they'll pop. There's another one. And I'll do it that way until I grow a pile, right? Well, sometimes these people come over here, white hands, sometimes they're black hands. I think I just saw black. There's black hand. And start messing with my pile. Like, no, you can't do that. Don't do that. And start separating them. Like, why are you targeting me? I left a room because of it yesterday. I left a puzzle. Because they were mean. I was minding my own business. Yes, I'm in a public room. But why do they do that? They'll start doing that and picking at my pile. I know I'm carrying on like a 5th grader or something. Start picking at my pile while, let me show you. There's all this many pieces left on the board. But they've got to start digging in my pile. I know there's not a sign on it that says my pile. And it is a public puzzle. Because when I opened this puzzle this morning, I clicked on private. Or public, I mean. I do have the option to make it private if I wanted to. But, they don't have to be so mean acting. Just because they don't like the way I do things, right? They want to get a case of the ass, excuse my language, and start acting all mean and picking at my pile. Well, I thought, okay, screencast it, right? And see if they start doing it again. Because even yesterday, another one, I moved to start different piles like 3 different times. And they just would not relent. I don't know if they were picking on me just on purpose or if they didn't realize. And there is a place down here to enter chat if I wanted to say knock it off. But why should I have to do that? Why should I have to tell these people? I'm minding my own business. You can fly all your energy around all over the board if you so choose. It's not up to me. I don't start wigging out because you're making a pile. Okay? And I can imagine even one of them complaining about me. That, okay, we'll complain. We'll find out who the thing of this puzzle is, the owners, and we'll launch a complaint against Miss Pile Builder. They're probably even talking out there in the real world. Have y'all met Miss Pile Builder? Yeah, she builds piles with the puzzle pieces. Okay? Like it's some gigantic deal in puzzle world. Some crazy, I don't know what you want to call it, mysterious thing that you do not dare build piles in the puzzle room when I'm there. Or I will start tearing into your pile and I will throw it all over the board. You get it? So see, we're down to this kind of pieces now. Alright? See, they want to start their shit too. Okay, fine, you're helpful. See, they're growing one now. You see? You see Blackhand here? Blackhand's getting the hang of it. Decide, see if you keep clicking them, they'll click together. You don't have to stare at it for 4 hours, right? It just works that way, people. I don't know what else I can tell you. It works that way. It works that way. That one seems like it should go there somewhere. And I wasn't intending to make a really big deal, but I guess I felt like I should say something till Blackhand decided to be, a team player. So that's what you come in public room for, is to be a team player. I don't see what the hassle should be. Being a team player, getting along, it's all good, right? Sitting here, talking to my peeps, whoever they may be, it's all good. Right, and I just kind of keep scooting them, and they keep growing, and that's how I do it. And that's how I learned to do these Java puzzles for ease, because my eyes, looking, I don't want to do that all the time. I pick puzzles that are busy, like this one, because there's color in there that I can work on getting the pieces together. And I guess I've gone on enough about it this morning. I don't really need to go on any more about it. Thank you for listening. If I get a fight going after a while, I'll do another one.